there, and welcome to this meditation to help you reduce anxiety and find peace. I'm so glad you're here. First, I'd like to invite you to find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a nice, slow, deep breath in, deeper than you've taken all day so far. And as you exhale, let it all go. As you continue to breathe, concentrate on the sound of my voice, allowing it to ground you into the present moment. Give yourself permission right now to focus on you, making yourself your first priority. There is nowhere else you need to be. There is nothing else you need to be doing. For the next several minutes, your well-being is your only focus. Continue to take slow, deep breaths, allowing each inhale to be a bit deeper than the one before it. Feel your lungs expand outward as you inhale. Hold it for a beat, and feel everything contract back in as you exhale. As you continue to breathe this way, feel the journey of the breath through your body. Notice any places where you may be holding stress or anxiety in your body. Those places where tension lives. Unfurrow your brow. Smooth out your forehead. Unclench your jaw, letting your teeth part slightly. Let your shoulders drop down, away from your ears. Open your palms, releasing any grip you may be holding. Soften your belly. Release your hips. Now, allow your breath to return to its normal, natural rhythm and pattern, but keep your focus on it. Let it be your anchor during this meditation. Each breath brings you back to this moment. Each breath reminds you that you are safe. Each breath is a gift. If you get distracted by a thought or a sound, that's completely natural. Simply acknowledge that it occurred without judgment. And then gently let it go, like a leaf floating down a stream. Return your attention to your breath, again and again, with kindness and patience. When we're stressed or anxious about something, it's often because we don't feel we have control over it. And this sense of being out of control can make us feel less safe. Our emotions heighten. Our bodies tense up. An understandable reaction to this is that we try to control the situation even further, gripping tighter and tighter. We also tend to judge the situation and even our feelings about it. We tell ourselves stories about what might happen, stories about what it all means. Those judgments and the stories we tell ourselves about a situation often become bigger than the situation itself. They add layers of stress and anxiety on top of what's actually happening. And the cycle repeats, growing stronger each time. So right now, I invite you to call to mind a situation that you feel is causing you anxiety. Don't force it. Just let it arise naturally. See it clearly in your mind. Now, what judgments are you holding about this situation? Are you judging yourself? The other people involved? The outcome? As you name each judgment, acknowledge its presence. Notice it without criticism. These judgments have been trying to protect you in their own way. Now, give each judgment permission to drop away. You don't need it anymore. It's safe to let it go. Imagine it dissolving like mist in the morning sun. Watch it fade. And what's the story you've been telling yourself about this situation? What narrative have you been running in your mind? As you recognize it, acknowledge its presence. This story has been trying to help you make sense of things, but it may not be serving you anymore. Give that story permission to drop away as well. Release it gently. Let it float away like a cloud across the sky. You may notice your mind pushing you even harder to hold on to those judgments or those stories. Your mind might resist, saying, "But this is important," or "You need to figure this out." Recognize and acknowledge those thoughts too. Thank them for trying to help. And now, allow them to drop away as well. Continue to use your breath to anchor yourself back in the present moment whenever you get distracted. Breathe in, breathe out. You are here. You are safe. You are breathing. Now, let's look at that situation again, but this time without the judgment or the story you were telling yourself. Just look at the facts. Just what is. How does it feel different? Has the level of anxiety or stress changed? Notice what shifts when you see clearly. Instead of judgment or story, I invite you to look at the situation with total curiosity, with wonder. What if you approach this like a scientist observing an experiment, or an artist studying a landscape? No need to fix it or change it. Just observe it. Now, as we move into a few moments of silence, give yourself permission to open up to clarity and direction. What is the very next step for you to take? Not the next 5 or 10 steps. Not all the steps to the end of the journey. Just the very next step. The one single action that feels true and right. Continue breathing with your eyes closed. Rest in this space of openness and possibility. Trust that the answer will come when it's ready. This is where you'd include 30 to 60 seconds of silence in the actual audio. Now, gently let your attention start to focus back on my voice. Coming back slowly. No rush. Remember this. Our judgments of and stories we tell ourselves about a situation tend to exaggerate our feelings of unease, anxiety, and stress. They can skew what's actually going on out of proportion. They can block us from seeing the truth of the situation and from allowing in the ease and comfort we so desire. So the next time you're feeling anxious, remember to breathe. Then notice and acknowledge the judgments about it and the story behind it. Then let them drop away, like releasing balloons into the sky. And notice how the anxiousness eases. Notice how much lighter you feel. Focus on the truth of the situation in this moment. Right here. Right now. You have everything you need. You are exactly where you need to be. You are enough. Now, let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Take a deep inhale in, filling your lungs completely. Hold that breath for a beat, and exhale it out slowly. Again, an even deeper breath than the one before, feeling it weave in and out of your muscles and cells, reaching every part of your body. And exhale it out. Last time, your deepest breath yet, sending that oxygen all the way through your entire body, from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. And when you're ready, gently exhale. Begin to bring gentle awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Notice the surface beneath you, the sounds around you, the temperature of the air. When you're ready, with no rush at all, gently open your eyes. Blink a few times. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this meditation and for giving yourself this gift. You've taken an important step in caring for yourself today. Carry this sense of calm and clarity with you. And remember, you can return to your breath anytime anxiety arises. Have a peaceful rest of your day.